You first select the text that you want to change the font type. So if I want to, I can select this and press the B over here, and that will make it bold. Also, if you are on Mac, you can press Command B as a shortcut, so you don't have to press B. You can come here and press this I to make it italicized, and again, the command is Command I, and over here it's Command U, or you can press U over here to underline. Also, if you are in Windows, you don't have to press Command, you can just do Control. First, if you want to do one font consistently, you can press on the type. So, for example, bold. Also, if you want to have more than one type of font, so like bold and italics, you can do that. And as you can see, it's italicized and bold. You can even press the underline, and it will be underlined. Also, if you want to slice through them, you can press this arrow over here and press this S, and as you can see, it's now sliced. So that was all for today's video. Hope you found this useful. Please subscribe if you want to support me. I'd really appreciate it. Check out some of my other videos, they might be helpful.